The right coding platform could save your startup months of headaches, so which one actually delivers? First up, Replit. If you want to spin up projects instantly, collaborate live, or code from literally anywhere, Replit's your friend. It's browser-based, supports tons of languages and has a huge community. Plus, with built-in AI tools and hosting, it's a one-stop dev shop. Downsides? It can feel crowded and complex projects might stretch its limits. Now meet Lovable. Think of it as the friendly, no-fuss platform. Perfect if you're new to coding or want to build an MVP fast. Its visual tools and low-code options mean you don't need to be a senior dev to ship something great. But if you're planning hardcore custom features or massive scaling, Lovable might start to feel a little limiting. Finally, Bolt. This one's for the power users, or anyone obsessed with speed and control. Bolt's blazing fast, developer-centric, and plays nice with your favorite frameworks and CI/CD pipelines. The catch? It's less beginner-friendly, and setting it up takes a touch more time. So, Replit's about rapid prototyping and easy collaboration. Lovable is for quick no-code launches. Bolt? It's for the builders who want full power under the hood. Which one's best for your startup? It depends on your tech chops, your team, and just how fast you want to move. Try them out, your next big thing could be just a click away. Thanks for watching. If this was useful, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel.